Now blow your money. There goes 100. Now blow your money. There goes another. There goes another 100. Blow your money. There goes 100. Now blow your money.
G'day, Shaun Fogarty speaking here. Come out for a play out of retirement, coming to mix it up with the young gun. Unfortunately, all the boys, Hayden, Brodie and Wilson have had a bit of bad luck with a bit of injuries, so thought I'd come and step up and have a little play for the team. But yeah, just looking forward to it. The club's done a good job, qualified 13th. So see if the arms can settle down by the end of the day, or give up by the end of the day, we'll see.
If you do it my way, you get favored when life promised. If you were going south, you're headed for southern comfort. Although it can push you to jumping or acting a dummy, like spending all of your money, cause you just got made redundant. The retail therapy's the only one for your budget, so Dr. Denim is the only therapist you're funded. Besides, he lets you prescribe any drug that you like. To get high as a rent, you need a cover. Even though I heard you got a lady missing your loving, and you got sons you need to lead like Marcus Mumpet, and you got bills to pay, but you need a real escape, so you need the down hard as much as from Muhammad. 1 bag, 2 bills, 3 shots before leaving yours. By 5, your face is in the gutter, but you'll be back next week. Throwing your hands up in the club like blue girls from How I Met Your Mother, trying to cover the pen. Now, so my people feeling down. If you're loving the sound, then let me see you get around me. You got sorrows, you need a drown, get around me. And let's try and pretend this shit is astounding, huh? Everybody bounce, so my people feeling down. If you're loving the sound, then let me see you get rowdy. My hand on the ground now, you should get rowdy, and let's try and pretend this shit is astounding. Now blow your money. There goes 100. Now blow your money. There goes another. There goes another 100. Blow your money. There goes 100. Now blow your money. There goes another. There goes another.
Yeah, Shaun here, filling guy, a retired guy for LMC Husqvarna, just for the last round at Taupo. Yeah, it's a good little fun day to be back out on the bikes in the mix with everyone. Yeah, just got a big thanks to all the sponsors that are on board. Yeah, Corthray Motors is the main guy there, Carl, back at the workshop doing the hours on the bikes and stuff, so thank him for the opportunity to come and have a ride today. Yeah, today first race was a bit rusty. Got some good starts today, which made it a little bit easier. And yeah, first race was 12th, second race was 10th, and the last race was 9th. So it's pretty got better. Arms started loosening up, so I was pretty happy to finish out the day on 9th. Yeah, starts were pretty happy with the start today. So the 250F was hooking up, I was loving it. Yeah, so all in all, it's good to be out there, and yeah, thank everyone for turning up, all my family from home, and yeah, it's good to see everyone. Cheers.
Older than my favorite line. You know the one really, I'm fine. When realistically, that's me saying I'm lying, I'm dying, but got too much pride to cry for assistance, so I party all the time. Rick James, bitch.